Welcome to the Yurbban hotels in Barcelona. We have two of them. We have this one is the Passage, and the one just over there is the Trafalgar. Come with me, relax, whilst I give you a quick tour of these hotels, which are highly recommended.
I don't have to look no further, 'cause I've reached my destination. I used to be lost, but now I'm found. As long as I know that you'll be around, I don't have to keep on searching. I'm right where I wanna be. I used to be so sad, now I'm glad I found something I never had, and I'm ready.
So,
This time I'm going all
this is Trafalgar, Carrier de Trafalgar. Let's go in and take a look at the Trafalgar Hotel. See, it says it's got a rooftop bar, which it has, and I'll show you that. So this is a triple room. Show you the bathroom first. All the rooms are slightly different sizes. My kids have their own and it's a bit different to this one. So you can see in this one, nice big bathroom. Shower there. Sorry the room's a bit messy, but it's the final day. We're actually leaving here tomorrow. Now I'll show you the wardrobe. So there's a wardrobe there with a safe, lights up inside. So this is the main bedroom, TV, fairly simple but really nice. As I say, this is a triple room, so it's got an extra bed over there, two twin beds pushed together, mini fridge here, there, tea and coffee making facilities, quite a stylish room. It's just been really good. We've got a view out onto a courtyard. I'll just show you that. No balcony with these rooms. So out onto this courtyard there. Yeah, so simple but very nice. And this hotel has been absolutely brilliant, as I said. No complaints at all. Highly recommended. Now the hotel does have a small gym. Ironically, this was the only time I ever saw anybody else in it, but we used it daily. So it's got some weights, a running machine, a cross-training machine. And there's also a laundry room here, absolutely free to use, which is great. And our room's just there, so that's been really handy. Washer dryer and an ironing board there as well. And the great thing is here, there's a fantastic terrace. So I'll show you this, with a little pool and a bar. Watch the sunsets over Barcelona. Look at this for views. Are we ready? So a little pool there, bar there. And the views are fabulous. And you can actually, over here, see the rooftop of the other hotel, the sister hotel, which is next door, which has got a bit bigger pool in it, but it's not as high up. So that's it. Fabulous views here. I mean, just look at it. There's the Gothic quarter over there. There's the beach. And here you can get water every day from 6:30. They have white wine and sangria for free, with cheese and other little bits of ham and tapas to go with it. But the water's on tap all day, so you can just fill your bottles. And the breakfast here is really excellent. They have a big buffet, really nice food on there, cereals, porridge, meats. You've got coffee machine at the back, which is actually operational all day. You've got juices, smoothies, toast and bread. But also, they cook you individual things. So I like scrambled eggs or pancakes or something every day, and they cook that and serve that to you at the table. So, how would I rate the hotel? 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10? I think we've paid £165 a night per room here. We've got 2 rooms. The hotel's very comfortable. It's like a boutique hotel. The location is unbeatable. Literally right near, in the centre of everything. Takes you 30 minutes to walk to the Gaudi Cathedral. 30 minutes to the beach. Probably a bit less, actually. 10 minutes to all the shopping, the main streets up there. Highly, highly recommended. Decent little gym. It's not busy. Fantastic sangria free on an evening, and wine with some nice cheeses and things. That's for an hour, 6:30 to 7:30. Free coffee all day, free water all day. Fantastic rooftop bar and a little sort of plunge pool thing up there with amazing views. Go up there and have a drink and watch the sunset. And just a very smart hotel. In fact, I think it's a bargain. And I would have no hesitation of stopping here again should I come to Barcelona. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope it's been a bit helpful to you. If you do like it, please like and subscribe, and please comment below because that really helps out the channel. I get tens of thousands of views of some of these videos, and I've only got 3,500 subscribers-ish. So if you subscribe, that really helps me out. Thanks very much, and thanks for watching. Bye.